Explaining the definition of literature. So here's our team: Nuflin Sri Adam, Diana Ayu Lestari, and Virjiawan Setiabudi. Well, table of contents. The first one is history of literature. The second is definition of literature. The third, distinction. Let we know distinction about literature and literary study. And the fourth, the function of literature. We can learn and know about the function of literature. And the last one is art and figure of literature. An example art of literature with figure in literary field. And conclusion. Part 1. History of literature. The history of literature is the historical development of writings in prose or poetry that attempt to provide entertainment, enlightenment, or instruction to the reader, listener, and observer, as well as the development of the literary technique used in the communication of these pieces. In the 14th century, the story of English literature begins with the Germanic tradition of the Anglo-Saxon settlers. This epic poem of the 8th century is Anglo-Saxon, now more usually described as Old English. It is incomprehensible to the reader familiar only with modern English.
Part 2. Definition of literature. Literature is a written or spoken text, which is formed by using partly or completely symbolic language that give the human life new meaning that is based on fanciful perspective by using imagination. Literature is a written or spoken text, since it has different genres which are meant to be read, such as fiction and short story, or to be spoken, such as poetry and drama.
The third point is distinction of literature and literary study. Literature is creative work, the medium of which is language, having its own convention, while literary study is scholarly or scientific work concerned interpretation, characterization, and evaluation of literature. Or another meaning of both are: literature is the object of literary study, and literary study is knowledge of studying literature. This is the example arts of literature. And this is the example books of literary study. The fourth point is the function of literature. The main function of literature are to entertain and give pleasure to the reader, and to heighten their awareness of certain aspect of life. Literature also provide escape from the grim realities of life. And many people read to escape boredom. The higher type of literature helps the reader to escape from trivial reality into significant reality.
Part 5. Art and Figure of Literature. Here, I want to tell you about the example, the art of literature. The first, book; the second, drama; the third, poetry; the fourth, prose. That is the example of the art of the
Figure of literature. Geoffrey Chaucer. He was born in London between 1340 and 1344. He was an English author, poet, philosopher, bureaucrat or courtier, and diplomat. He is also referred to as the father of English literature. Literature is defined as books and other written works, especially those considered to have creative or artistic merit or lasting value. So, this is our presentation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.